Hi friends, Mrs. D here. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to share with you a couple of more ways to have some dinosaur fun. We just got done reading Saturday night at the Dinosaur Stomp. So I'm going to show you how you can recreate your own dinosaur stomp. But first I want to share an activity with you that we did in my enrichment class one day, but we did it with ocean animals and it was called an ocean rescue. Today we are going to perform a dinosaur rescue. This takes a little bit of advanced preparation because you're going to want to freeze some dinosaurs. If you don't have dinosaurs, use another animal in some ice. And you can see I have some dinosaurs in here. I also had used this container. It's a little bit littler. And then I actually froze a dinosaur in here. All I did was take a balloon and I stretched it like this. And you can have child can put the dinosaur in for you, or if you want to surprise them, I just kind of stretched it, put the dinosaur in, and then put some water in it, tied it, and froze it. So I thought we'd see what it looks like. And I just put it in a little bit of water so that the balloon wouldn't be sticking to the ice. And I'm just cutting the balloon away. And, oh, very slippery. This is what we have. Kind of could be a dinosaur egg, but it's just another way to freeze the dinosaurs. Then ask your child, how do you think we can help these dinosaurs escape? What types of things can we use? Let them problem solve. One of the things they might suggest is just water. That's when you can take your eyedroppers or your medicine droppers and your child can just, let's see if I can put this up a little bit. Keep squirting water on the ice. They might suggest using warm water. The other thing is, what about some salt? Maybe they'll suggest salt. We use salt on the icy sidewalks in the winter. Maybe shaking some salt on the ice. Maybe adding the salt into the water. Let them problem solve and just figure out ways to help these dinosaurs escape the ice. When we did the ocean rescue, the children worked as a team to help the animals escape, and they had a great time. And they had actually requested to do another type of escape, and the dinosaur escape was one of the things we were going to do in the enrichment class before we all got stuck at home. So that's one way you can expand and have fun with the dinosaurs. The other activity I want to show you is a dinosaur stomp. Let me get this out of the way. And what you're going to need for this is a process art, so there is no wrong or right way for your child to do this. It's all about the process. You're going to want a large piece of paper. You can use a poster board. You could use, if you have wrapping paper and the back side's white, I just taped a whole bunch of white construction paper together. If you have cardboard, you could use cardboard, whatever you can find that's big. The other thing you're going to need is some paint. Some acrylic paint, tempera paint, and you'll just put this on your paper, or actually paper plate works better. Don't have paint to use, you can create and make your own paper or paint, sorry. And how you can do this is you'll need flour, and it's equal parts flour and equal parts water. So I'm going to use a 1/3 cup flour. And I'll put this in a container. And then I have a 1/3 cup water here. And I colored the water. You can use food coloring. You could use Jell-O. You could use Kool-Aid. I thought, let me color my water with sprinkles. I had some leftover sprinkles from Christmas. Obviously they were green, so I put them in here. I'm not sure what color of green this will make the paint, and you'll just want to stir the paint. And we did this, we made finger paint one time in the class, kind of this recipe, and you're going to want to stir it. Oops, spilled a little bit, that's okay. My whisk might work a little bit better. So there we go. And just mix, and if you need more flour, you want to make it a little bit thicker. For a thicker consistency, you can just add more flour. There, I think maybe a little bit thicker might work. I don't know if you can, whoops, I spilled it again. I always told the children, Mrs. D loves to make messes. So then you'll put it on your paper plate. So if you don't, that's a great way to make paint if you don't have any that you would around the house. The next thing you need are some dinosaurs. Whatever, big ones, little ones. Don't have dinosaurs, you can use other kind of animals. And dinosaurs go in the paint and they stomp around. This one's feet move, so it's hard to get all 4 down at the same time. Let's try this one. There we go. How about T-Rex? I wonder what T-Rex's will look like. Let's make his green. You want to expand this. Another thing you can do is play some music. Alexa, play some children's music.
Here's a station you might like. Toddler Tongue on Amazon Music.
Your dinosaurs can dance to the music. Maybe you want their tails to do the painting. Alexa off. So this is a way for you to recreate a dinosaur stomp. I think it will keep your kids busy for a while. You can add more colors, more animals, more dinosaurs, more music, whatever you can think of. I hope you have fun at your dinosaur stomp and rescuing your dinosaurs. Thanks for joining me. Bye, friends.